In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook videos not playing automatically. If your Facebook videos only play when you tap them manually, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple setting that can be turned on in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. This method works the same on both Android and iPhone. Once the app opens, look at the top corner and tap on the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Here, tap on Media. Now look for the Autoplay option. Under Autoplay, select on Mobile Data and Wi-Fi. This will allow videos to play automatically whether you're using internet data or Wi-Fi. Now your videos should start playing automatically without needing to tap them. And that's it. That's how you can enable autoplay videos on Facebook and fix videos not playing automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.